Joe owns an auto repair shop and is looking for ways to increase sales. His customers are only completing absolutely necessary vehicle maintenance. Just imagine what business could be like for Joe if he was able to sell just 15% more recommended maintenance on every vehicle coming through his shop. AutoServe1 helps close the sales gap by creating trust at the point of decision through customer education. Using AutoServe1, Joe's technician completes his service inspection digitally using a tablet, recording his findings and recommendations. He, the technician, also attaches photos of what he sees, in this case, some very worn brake pads. Now, all of these findings can go up to the front counter, where the advisor can review a report automatically generated by AutoServe1, attach educational content, and approve it to be sent to the customer. The customer will have photographic proof of what is required, and the educational content will explain why it's required. A better informed customer can make a more comfortable, confident purchase decision, and Joe, he sees his average repair orders skyrocket.